Guys, today we're Hello guys, today we're gonna review this lighter that I bought from my local store. It's an interesting lighter. It's black in color, and as you can see, it has a standard refilling nozzle on the bottom, and it has a thumb trigger with a very precise stream, and it comes with this little stand, which I assume is for when you're barbecuing and you would like to put it away somewhere without risk of falling. It does stand up perfectly fine without the stand, but it looks a bit cooler. When it comes to the mechanisms, it has a lockout for child safety, I assume, and it still releases gas, but it locks the spark trigger. Once the lock is undone, you can turn it on like so, and the flame size is adjustable with this slider, and it's quite the impressive flame, very useful for precise heating or lighting stuff on fire. It's also way better than conventional lighters because you don't run the risk of burning your hand, and it's quite a bit safer. And so that was my review of the slider, which I'm going to use to light up some fireworks. This is a really good lighter for fireworks. This was your boy Lighter Man, and peace out.